Dear children, how are you? I hope all are fine and safe. Today we are going to study a poem from the book Golden Race, the English main course book of class 10th. Read the first poem of your book written by Janet Rand. It is a motivational poem. The poet gives a message to all human beings to take a risk if they want to achieve something. If we don't take a risk, there is a chance for avoiding sorrow and painful situations in life. But we will be missing so much. Without taking risk, we would not learn anything. Let us learn the poem. To laugh is to risk appearing the fool. To weep is to risk appearing sentimental. To reach out for another is to risk involvement. To laugh is a very simple activity. But the person who laughs finds himself being looked at as a fool by others. Thus, to laugh is risky. To weep is also risky. A person who weeps covers the risk of being called sentimental. Likewise, if one goes out to help someone, he takes the risk of having his own interest in doing so. To expose feelings is to risk exposing your true self. To place ideas and dreams before a crowd is to risk being called a knave. If one is frank and expresses his feelings, he exposes his reality and runs the risk of exposing his personality. If he has some ideas and imaginations and puts them before the people, there is a risk of being called an inexperienced person. To love is to risk not being loved in return. To live is to risk dying. To hope is to risk despair. To try is to risk failure. To love someone involves the risk of not being loved in return. The risk of death is very much inherent in taking birth, that is to live. One who is born is sure to die. So is the involvement of the risk of hopelessness in every activity performed with a ray of hope in mind. Keeping such a risk in mind, many a time one does not try things. He fears failure. But a risk must be taken because the greatest hazard in life is to risk nothing. The poet says that if a person wants to grow in life, he or she must agree and get ready to take risk in life. A life without a risk is a danger itself. One who does not take risk can do nothing in his life. The person who risks nothing, does nothing, has nothing, is nothing, and becomes nothing. A person who avoids taking risk actually faces the danger of getting nothing in his or her life. His preparedness to take risk makes him smart. A man who avoids taking risk is an inactive person. He gets nothing. His existence is not recognized and he is unable to make any progress in life. They may avoid suffering and sorrow, but they cannot learn, feel, change, grow, love, live. The people who do not take risk may save themselves from sufferings and sorrows, but they cannot have direct learning and real feelings. They cannot experience changing situations. They cannot grow in rich experiences of life. They cannot love anyone, and they cannot live in real sense. Chained by their certitude, they are slaves. They have forfeited their freedom. Only a person who is truly free. Those who do not get recognition in the society, their life is lonely and uninteresting. Such persons are chained by a kind of certainty. They live the lives of slaves. They lose their freedom. Freedom can be enjoyed only by a risk-taking man. So, a person must always be ready to take risks in life. कवि सभी मनुष्यों को खतरा उड़ाने का संदेश देता है यदि वे कोई उपलब्धि प्राप्त करना चाहते हो। अगर हम खतरे नहीं उड़ाते हैं तो जीवन में दुख एवं दुखद स्थितियों से बचने की एक संभावना होती है, लेकिन फिर हम बहुत कुछ पाने से वंचित रह जाएंगे। बिना खतरा उड़ाए हम कुछ भी नहीं सीख पाएंगे। जो व्यक्ति कोई जोखिम नहीं लेता है वह कुछ नहीं कर पाता है, उसे कुछ भी प्राप्त नहीं होता है, वह कुछ भी नहीं होता है और कुछ नहीं बन पाता है। जो लोग जोखिम लेने से दूर रहते हैं वे कष्ट, पीड़ाओं और दुखों से बच सकते हैं, लेकिन वे ना तो कुछ सीख सकते हैं, ना ही कुछ महसूस व अनुभव कर सकते हैं, ना ही उनमें कोई बदलाव आ सकता है, ना ही वे विकसित हो सकते हैं, ना ही वे प्यार कर सकते हैं और ना ही सच्चे अर्थों में कोई जीवन जी सकते हैं। I hope you understood the poem. Then read the poem 2-3 times very attentively. The glossary and summary is also given in the textbook. So study well. Thank you, students. All the best. Study well and stay at home.